Hello internet friends. In this video, we're going to get ready to rivet the bulkheads to the bottom tail cone skin. I think that's what it's called. I almost said bottom fuselage skin, but we're looking at the bottom fuselage skin on top of the table. Okay, so if you read the plans actually say to get 2 sawhorses and put the bottom tail cone skin on that upside down, and then Cleco the bulkheads to the bottom of the skin, or the top of the skin because it's upside down, but it looks like the bottom when it's upside down, right? So yeah, so since I didn't have any sawhorses, I clicked over to Andrew Kilroy's video and I was like, how did he do this? And he used 2 tables, and I was like, you know what? I have 2 tables. In fact, you know what I have? I have an adjustable height table, and I can make that any height I want, which is important because I Clecoed the bulkhead there, and there's an extra, 3 or 4 inches that needs to go down to match the other height of my table, so it's level. Not that being level is important, but it helps. So anyway, plug again for adjustable height tables. You should have one in your toolbox. Not really in your box, but it should be one of your tools for your build. Okay, so you Cleco the bulkheads on the skin. I think that's all I do. Oh, one more thing I'm going to try at the end of the video. Why am I on my phone so much? I think my kid just came in and asked me to buy a Steam game for him, so I bought it for him. So, because they're still off of school for the next couple days. You'll see in the background there the 3D printer is going. I actually got my kid into making for once, and he's making some Nerf gun attachments. So maybe I'll get him into aluminum one day. Although I can talk. I didn't really make anything out of aluminum. I am taking 2 pieces that someone made for me and riveting it together. So I don't know, does that make me a maker? I think in airplane terms it makes me a builder. I don't know if that makes me a maker. I think to make something you have to like come up with the idea from scratch and cut it out and do all that. So yeah, I think I'm a builder. One day I'll be a maker. I already made some plastic parts on the 3D printer. I just don't have any good ideas. I'm sure I'll come up with vents and other things. But my drafting skills, even though like modern tools make it pretty easy, modern CAD tools, but SolidWorks is a beast. Like I went to the SolidWorks workshop for at Oshkosh, and I didn't even finish it because I'm like, this software is not intuitive at all. It hurts my brain. So maybe I should try Onshape. I've heard Onshape is better. But anyway, that's just me. Oh, and also, I don't know why, but SolidWorks, they don't have the free license that you get with EA anymore. Now you have to buy it's still like a discounted license, but it's the same as the normal student license. You don't get it free. So I'm like, yeah, no thanks. Onshape is free. If I do anything, I'll try that again. Okay, so anyway, this is my idea for, and maybe this makes me a maker because I know how to drill 2 holes. But I went and got some aluminum because I didn't want this flopping around. Because basically I want to back rivet this skin. Because I just feel like back riveting, it makes prettier rivets, and it is less chance of screwing up your skin by hitting it with the mushroom set or the flush swivel set. But we'll see what happens. If I manage to actually get the back riveter to work, yay. I know I won't be able to where the battery angles are, the bellcrank ribs over there, because the flanges block the back rivet set. So anyway, that's why I put these pieces of aluminum on there to try to stabilize these bulkheads. It's still pretty flimsy, so I don't know if it worked. but we'll see. So stay tuned for the next video. If you want to come chat RVs, come join our Slack group. The link is in the description, and we'll see you there and see you in the next video.